What's up, everyone? It's 6:13 p.m. UK time, and let's take a look here at EURUSD on the daily. We just broke through. Looks like we are gonna retest again, but a more clear retest. Although I don't know, it's a bit confusing because we haven't broke this past high. Although in the bigger picture, we're still like in this bullish trend. So yeah, I think it will depend really in the lower time frames if whatever you're gonna trade. So here looks like we broke through and maybe we're gonna get a retest over here. So even though we had this lower low, lower than this one, so I think it's gonna push a little up if it's gonna make a retracement or whatever. And on the 1 hour, we looks like we broke through basically the same thing, probably same trend line, and I just added this little trend line right here, so I'm just gonna wait to see what happens in the 15 minutes. Not much. I mean, I will have to have a better structure. Although you could say that probably this short-term structure is going bullish, but if I find a good entry, a good setup, probably I will go for a little bullish trades, but not that clear though. This market and USDCAD on the daily, you can see we are almost approaching this lower this trend line right here, and probably if we can anchor it probably a little different, probably it's already retesting it, but I don't know. I think this is a good way for this trend line to be. So probably we're gonna push a little down, or looks like we're already having some resistance here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. So here we just broke through this trend line, and looks like we just are going down. So probably it's maybe the end of this wave. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. I just added this little trend line, and I don't know if we can maybe this is kind of a, actually I think I have it in the 15 minute, this type of reversal zone right here. And if we find any good setup or any structure forming up, any bullish structure, we can get probably some bullish trades. And let's take a look at EURJPY on the daily. Looks like we broke through a little bit this trend line, and probably we're gonna retest it. And this kind of looks with quite some momentum, so probably we're gonna retest it. I don't know. And let's take a look at the 4 hours, and looks like, yeah, probably the end of this wave, probably going down to test this trend line over here. So yeah, I think we can get some bearish trades. Although on the 1 hour, I just have this trend line right here, and not much. We still are in a bullish structure. So in the 15 minute, not much going on either. We just have this huge move up, huge move down, and I don't know, but probably made a lower high. So probably I'm expecting some bearish trades. Although I just have an alarm here, and if we find any type of structure to trade towards this trend line, we will see. But I think we just gonna have to wait a little bit in this market. And an AUDNZD on the daily, looks like we interacted here in the 161.8, and we're pushing up probably. Yeah, and this structure right here looks like we are still in a bullish market. So probably we're gonna create a higher than this one. And on the 4 hour, looks like we broke through a little bit this trend line, and we're retesting it, and probably good market to be looking for some bullish trades in the short term, maybe. Although we haven't break this high right here, so probably with a little cautious. And I just saw this trend line right here in the 1 hour, and looks like we are making some bullish structure. If I get any good setup, probably interested in getting some bullish trades. Here I have this little trend line in the 15 minute, and this alarm right here. So if we get any I don't know, interaction here, probably in line with this past highs. Probably we could get some minor trades, bullish trades, but we'll see. And I think that's it for it. Hope you all have a great week and a great month already. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.